guys, it's your Neicy and welcome back to my channel. So today, you guys, I have an exciting video for you all. If you've read the title, you already know what's about to go down. I'm just doing my version on the God is a Woman makeup tutorial. I've seen a few people do it, but I thought it would be exciting to switch up the color a little bit, like to add some different colors in there, because I know that the original colors were like the purple, and I was going to do yellow, but then I decided to do blue. It was kind of hard trying to find like yellow stuff like around my area for whatever reason. It was just so difficult. So I was like, you know what, we're gonna do blue. I originally saw James Charles do this. He's the one who kind of inspired me to do a blue version, so that is what we're going to do today. I hope you guys like this version just because it's a little different. It's not, you know, the typical purple. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys try to do it with other colors and stuff like that. I hope this kind of inspires some people. I don't know, I just feel like being creative and doing something fun, so why not? I've never done something like this on my channel before, so I'm not sure this is going to be like a talk through or like a voiceover, just because I'm not 100% sure as to what the hell I'm doing. But you know what, if you're seeing this video, it worked out and we're gonna make it to the end. Okay, as y'all can see, my base and stuff is already on. If you want to see, you know, how I do my base and stuff like that, then I will leave that in the description box below, because I just recorded like an updated flawless foundation routine. And while most of my products have not changed, and you know, have a different quality and stuff like that, so just wanted to upgrade that quality to the level that we're at now. So that will be on my channel. I will leave that in the description box below, so you guys can do that part and then come back to this video and watch the rest. Okay, so now that we're done with all of that rambling, don't forget to like the video. Helps develop the video a lot, helps out my channel. Also, leave me a comment down below what you guys want to see next and whether you all like the video. And lastly, subscribe to my channel, because if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. These are the blue colors that we have that are liquid. And then I also have, like, I know these two look similar on camera, but they're really kind of different. I don't know. They look exactly the same, I promise you. Like, this one is more like vibrant, and this is more like a pastel-y type of blue, and then this is like a light blue. And then I have like dark blue eyeshadow and stuff like that we're going to mix and play with. But look, I put my little cat ears on, pull my hair back. We're about to get right into this. Okay, so this part I don't really mind talking through because it's the eyes, and I feel like that won't be too hard. So I'm going to use my Morphe 35B palette. And he really, I'm looking at James Charles' picture as a reference. He really just has like just some nice transition shades or whatever in the crease, and then lets the purple liner be like the main event. So that's what we're gonna do. But first we have to prep our eyes with concealer. For concealer today, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in the color Cool Tan. If you know, watch my channel, y'all already know the drill. And we're just gonna put that all over my eye. And normally I usually start with like one eye done before the other eye. However, I don't know what I'm doing, so we're just going to just have fun and experiment together. So now I'm going to take a fluffy brush. I'm going to take this color here and just put that all over my lid, just to like set the concealer so it's not like creasing and stuff. So looking into the 35B palette, I know there's not like a lot of brown transition-y shades. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the color Bold from the Tarte Pro Amazonian Clay palette. And that color I'm going to start to build up in my crease as a transition. Then in the BH Cosmetics Festival palette, I'm going to take the color Escape, which is this brown shade here. And we're gonna also put that into the crease. I'm just using the same brush, you know, but you wanna go in with like a light hand just so that you can keep everything controlled. And you kinda wanna drag the color out, you know, to the outer part of your eye as well, because that's where we're gonna drag our tail and everything. So you just kinda wanna put the color all over. And then just going back into the Tarte Pro palette just to make sure everything is like soft and stuff, you know, the outer part. Now you should have something really pretty and soft like this. Now what you're going to want to do is cut the crease. I'm using my same concealer, my LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer. Just going to put some on the back of my hand, and I'm going to use that concealer to cut the crease. You want to take your time, just using like a little flat brush here, and just cut it. So once you're happy with your cut crease, you just want to take the same color from the 35B palette and set your concealer to avoid like any creasing and stuff. Now this part, now here's the interesting part. This is the most scariest part for me, is actually taking this like liquid lipstick and using it as a liner. So this is the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in the color LSCL 16. And I'm just going to take some of this on like the back of my hand. Just scrape some of the product on there. So I have a little bit of the product built up on my hand. And I'm going to take this very small angle brush and I'm going to use that to like recut the crease with like a liner of blue in there. So let's see. Okay, so then you have the blue on there. This is not awful. However, we are gonna want to use some concealer to clean up underneath the line in case, you know, it's not as sharp as you want it. So let's do that. I'm gonna take a very small brush. I'm gonna take this blue Palooza from the BH Cosmetics palette and set that blue liner just so it doesn't have any problems as well. So now you want to add your normal eyeliner. I'm taking the e.l.f. liquid liner in the color Black. And I'm just going to line my eye as normal. Then you want to go ahead and apply your mascara. And now before we take our bottom mascara, you want to take the same blue from the BH Cosmetics palette, this Palooza color, and put that on the lower lash line. And for me personally, I'm going to drag the color way down just because I have bags and stuff. And that way you can really see like the blue. And luckily the BH Cosmetics palette has a metallic blue that matches. And it's called the Ultimate color. And we're going to put that in our inner corner as like our inner corner highlights. And right in the center of that highlight, I'm going to add the color Spirit just to give it more of like a little pop right in the center, like right in the center. Okay guys, we have one eye done. What I'm gonna do is finish the other eye off camera and add lashes and everything, and then we'll be right back to show you guys like the whole side of my face. Okay you guys, and so honestly for this part, like I didn't have, I guess, like a set strategy. I just put a little bit of like dark blue around. I used all the colors that I showed y'all. I usually just scrape the colors on the back of my hand and I just made little strokes, made some big strokes, made some smaller strokes. I did have a white eyeliner as well that I used. Y'all will see that in this clip as well. I used that to like slide against the side of my face, and I took my finger to like splatter it out and make it bigger. So it's really just about being abstract and just being creative. There's no set rules or criteria to follow, so just have fun with it, and hope y'all enjoy like the speed through of how it all came together. Okay, you guys, so this is the completed look. I'm so happy with the way it turned out. Honestly, I did not think that I would be able to do something this creative. Like, I just decided to test the waters, test my creativity, and I'm glad that I did because I really liked the way that this look turned out. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys did, please do not forget to give the video a thumbs up. Helps out the video and the channel out a lot. Also, leave me a comment down below in the comment section just telling me what you guys like to see, what you guys want to see. That way the videos get better for you all. And lastly, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. That way you guys know next time I upload, next time I post. And that's basically it, you guys. I love you all so much. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.